Hey, what's up everyone? It's Akbar here. This video is a quick DIY for printing phone stickers. For this, you need a transparent back case, obviously a phone, a scale, a cutter, scissor, a photo editing tool like GIMP, and yes, a printer. Now you need to measure the phone dimensions using the scale. Then go to GIMP, select File, New, and enter the phone dimension you just measured. Make sure you're selecting the correct measurement units. Now you need to select the image you want to print on your phone bag. I went for an image from the iFixit wallpaper for my S10 transparent hardware. You need to use the resize and move tools in the GIMP to align your image so that it covers all the white area. This step requires some patience and practice, but it's very important that you do this right. Now from the file, select page setup and make sure the correct page type is selected in your settings. Next, select file and print, and once again go to image setting and verify that your dimensions are correct, and then print the page on your printer. Now we need to cut the hole for the camera area. For this, we will choose the transparent back case and mark the camera area. Now using scale and cutter, cut the camera area. Now just place the photo in the transparent back case and you're done. You can also cut the camera hole using the punch machine, and here is how the final product looks like. As a bonus item, here is another sticker for the Samsung A10. That's it for today. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks. Peace.